What are the voices telling you? It's louder than usual, isn't it? Well, that's because a lot of bad things happen down here. Are they saying that Styles is dying? He is, you know.
There's a way to save him. There has to be.
This isn't you, Styles.
It is now.
What are you doing over there?
This isn't even a person. It's a spirit that's taken the shape of a human.
You burn my family, I burn yours.
It still feels like he's got us right in the palm of his hand.
Chaos is coming again.
Put it down now.
Pull the trigger.
You put the gun down now!